Hey guys, in this video we're diving into the top 5 best AirPods 3rd generation cases currently available on the market. If you're looking for the perfect mix of protection, functionality, and style for your AirPods, this video is for you. All product links are in the description below, so let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Arfung for AirPods 3rd generation case. This case is a solid choice for those seeking rugged protection. Made from high-quality TPU material, it offers full-body shockproof coverage, making it ideal for users who want extra durability. The standout feature here is the unique security lock mechanism. Press the open button, and the lid pops up smoothly, ensuring you never have to worry about it accidentally opening. It's a thoughtful design touch that sets it apart from many competitors. In terms of design and build, the Arfung case features a hard shell that feels robust in hand. While it offers excellent protection against drops and scratches, the bulkier design may not appeal to users who prefer a sleeker look. On the performance side, it supports both wired and wireless charging without requiring you to remove the case, and the front LED remains visible during charging. However, the added bulk and weight may not suit everyone, especially if portability is your top priority. This case is best for users who prioritize heavy-duty protection over aesthetics. With a reasonable price point and features like a secure lock and keychain, the Arfung case is a reliable, no-frills option. Pros: durable, secure lock, excellent protection. Cons: bulky design, heavier than competitors. At number 4, we have the Mialudo for AirPods 3rd generation case in a stunning sky blue finish. This case is tailored for users who want military-grade protection without sacrificing style. Made from skin-friendly silicone, the Mialudo case provides a soft, silky feel while offering 360-degree protection against drops, scratches, and daily wear. The dust-proof plug is an added bonus, ensuring your AirPods remain clean and free from debris. The design is sleek and lightweight, making it a fantastic choice for those who dislike bulky cases. The case also supports wireless charging and features a visible front LED, so you can monitor your charging status at a glance. The included cleaning kit is a thoughtful addition, helping you maintain your AirPods in pristine condition. Plus, the stylish color options let you personalize your look. While the Mialudo case excels in protection and aesthetics, its relatively slim design means it may not offer the same impact resistance as bulkier cases. However, it strikes an excellent balance between style and function, making it perfect for users who want a lightweight, stylish option with reliable protection. Pros: stylish design, lightweight, added cleaning kit. Cons: slightly less durable than hardshell options. Coming in at number 3, we have the Molapo for AirPods 3 case cover in a charming light pink shade. This case is perfect for users looking for a stylish and soft-touch option. Made from high-quality elastomer silicone, the Molapo case is waterproof, sweatproof, and scratch-resistant, ensuring your AirPods are protected from life's little mishaps. The vibrant color options allow you to express your personality while keeping your earbuds safe. The design features a soft, lightweight shell that feels comfortable in hand. It also comes with a carabiner clip, making it easy to attach to your bag or keys for added convenience. The included cleaning pen is another nice touch, allowing you to keep your AirPods looking and functioning like new. The case supports wireless charging, and the front LED remains visible at all times. While the Molapo case offers excellent functionality and aesthetics, the protection level is slightly less robust compared to hardshell options. It's an excellent choice for users who prioritize style and portability over rugged durability. Pros: stylish, lightweight, includes cleaning kit. Cons: not as durable as heavy-duty cases. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the Shockproof Apple AirPods 3rd Gen case cover. This case stands out for its exceptional combination of protection, functionality, and thoughtful extras. Made from premium silicone, it provides 360-degree shockproof protection while maintaining a silky smooth texture. The one-piece design ensures the lid stays securely in place, and the dust-proof plug keeps the charging port clean. What sets the Shockproof case apart is the included 3-in-1 cleaning pen. With a metal tip, soft brush, and flocking brush, this tool makes it incredibly easy to clean your AirPods and keep them looking brand new. The case also supports wireless charging, and the front LED remains visible for easy monitoring. The included keychain adds portability, allowing you to attach it securely to your bag or keys. While slightly more expensive than some competitors, the Shockproof case delivers outstanding value with its combination of protection, style, and added accessories. It's the perfect choice for users who want a premium experience. Pros: comprehensive protection, cleaning kit included, sleek design. Cons: slightly higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect case for your AirPods 3rd generation. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you soon. See you in the next one.